Huh?
Sure.
Alright. We're gonna do medic.
Medic was fun yesterday. Yeah, everyone's medic. So the way we did it yesterday, everyone's medic. You can drag if they're down. 10-second for respawn of physical contact once everyone's down or the time limit is reached.
You only get 5 revives.
Oh yeah, it's 5 revives. If you can get revived 5 times. When we did it yesterday, no one got 5 revives before everyone was down.
Okay. Alright, cool. Line up against the wall.
Assume the position.
I have to check,
Assume the position.
I have to check your rear.
Position!
Well, I ain't bending over.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's okay, I just want
So yeah, I guess we're doing a medic thing. So it's okay with
So
everybody.
everyone's a medic. You get 5 downs and then you're out. But 10 seconds full contact, count it out. And pretty much either go until the whole team's out or time limit reach.
If you're able to drag the downed person behind cover, you're able to, but you have to drag them on your own power. They can't help you like stand up and walk or stuff like that.
Yeah, I'm dragging guys. Team big. We need 2 guys. Are we using the drag hand or grabbing by his hand?
I mean, yeah, you can grab hand and go. It's just you can't like help them otherwise.
You dragging somebody by their foot.
I did that yesterday.
I mean, we had to yell at that one dude because he tried to drag and he just got up on his knees and crouched while he was trying to do it. It's like, no, 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 he's got to pull you. You got to be pulled.
Next time you guys
1, 2, 2, 1.
I guess no bands are walking.
Yep, no bands walk.
Yeah, I gotta pick my shots.
I guess we're doing a medic thing. Everybody's medic. But it's gotta be under your own power. 5 revives, right?
Yep, 5 revives or everyone down.
I guess no bands are walking.
Yep, no bands are walking.
Okay, you guys are down there.
Okay. No bands are over there. Let's go around. Okay. He's bringing the grenade launcher out. I'm going to stop.
That's fine, he's only got this many rounds.
And if they all go off.
That too.
We had that problem last time.
Yep.
Are you pulling it? I'm fucking pulling it, damn it.
Quick, quick, quick! Go on! Oh, it's out of gas.
We just filled it with gas. It's out of gas again. Shit.
One of
10 or
the,
15 seals.
I'd say like 10 minutes.
You guys ready?
one of the bearing balls fell inside.
I don't think it'll go to 10 minutes, but
You guys ready? Alright. We ready?
yep.
Mag my gun real quick. Kind of helps them do that.
I mean, if you want to be able to shoot them, yeah.
I mean, if you just want to drive by the whole time, you might get it.
Game starts in 5!
He's gonna go around bang rolling everyone.
3, 2, 1, go!
You're just trying to play it hardcore, Jake. Bang roll only. I'm just gonna bang you. You want me to shoot or you want to bang? I didn't hear you say anything, so. When you're down, you kneel. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah, that's right.
Come back. He's still just walking.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When you're down, you stay in place.
8, 9, 10.
Unless one of your teammates that isn't down comes in and gets you. You're good. Oh, ow. Kyle, I'm I'm down! I'm down.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's going on? I think we're all dead.
Is there any no bands left up? All right, that's game. There's no bands up.
James, switch sides.
Cody, you're done and awesome. I didn't even kill the other four. I got 3 people with a pistol. I definitely ordered this shit.
I didn't get any kills that whole time.
I think I got
met
2 or
2
3.
people.
Yeah.
Well, I count the software, I guess.
I got 3 because one of them I walked up and we both banged each other. I'm like, you want to just both call? I was like, yeah, we'll just both call. I'm like, okay. I don't either.
Ass again?
Yep.
God damn, dude. Fuck. You don't want to walk into spawn point. You rip that. Holy shit.
Buddy. You think we're going to competitive, huh?
I told you it was going to be a really quick game. I don't think 10 minutes
Take a
should be
deep breath.
was
That's
less.
all right.
Yeah. You guys ready down there?
Yeah, if you're aggressive, this is a fun game.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
One to our left on that cross. Oh, that's what he was.
That was aggressive.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you guys both out? I was gonna say, I don't want to shoot people someone that's down, so.
Medic.
Is now.
Oh, shit.
Oh. All right. I think that's game.
James, switch sides.
I was like, should I bang him? Should I bang him? No, I'm just gonna shoot him. I just had an internal conflict. I went up behind little man from like right here. I'm like, should I bang him or should I shoot him? And just shot him in the vest. And he's like, oh, I guess I'm out. Like, I know, but I didn't know. Like, he was down right in front of me. I didn't know who got him out, so I didn't want to start yelling, saying, yeah, I'm alive, and let someone around the corner know.
If he was down, he'd yell back.
Yeah. I just didn't want to give away my position.
I'm a loud ass son of a bitch. Just
I know, I got a full-on video of you screaming at the ceiling.
Yeah. I screwed up trying to save him.
4, 5, 6.
You guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
They don't like getting their asses beat. 2 up! 2 up! I'm dead! Someone come get me!
One six, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, 6 6, 7 6. Did I not get you?
No, but
Okay. I'm gonna say, I'll leave that up to you. Because I did shoot. I don't know if I missed or not. You know what? I know, I saw that. I'll just call myself out because you did hit me, so yeah. I just wasn't sure if I hit you first or not.
Did you get hit?
what?
Did you get hit at all?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
So all 3 of us are out. So I got you at that very beginning to that tiny little hole.
Yeah.
I saw both of you guys run this way and I'm like, I think I can get him through that little hole.
I was not expecting that.
I should dispose of this one, man.
Throw it towards your own teammates.
Or just drop it right in the middle.
No ball.
I'm good, do it.
Nah, I'm not going to.
I said, as long as I'm not facing it, go ahead and do it. I don't care. You can hit my back as much as you want.
I'm going to see if we're going to switch sides. If we're not going to go reload, then I might as well just keep it for the next one.
Yeah.
Hope somebody
Let's go to the pin. I think she said it's bad to find the pin now.
Yeah, there's still people fucking. Kyle, I'm on the left side. Because I got 3 of them.
I don't think we're gonna get that. Either you or me.
Yeah, I don't think any of us are getting respawned, honestly. I yelled for Kyle to come respawn me. I don't think he's going to.
Going to the airport. Just to make sure. Before it comes out.
Oh, you guys might get rezzed here. You guys might get rezzed here. Your teammates back there rezzing the other guy that I got. You got 2 guys over here. You got 2 guys right here. No, he's not doing it. What do you got?
So you have to push that thing down. It comes out, so look where it comes out, just to make sure you don't accidentally. See that pin is supposed to go in there.
Yeah, but it's not going to be able to go all the way through.
No, like, you're supposed to push it down with the pin.
Well, you're getting res, so just go ahead and take it and throw it. At least I just get to sit here and relax.
Alright, where they at? I just. You see him? First, second, or third? Where they at?